What's up, guys, and welcome back to the investing journey, the road to financial freedom. And today we're going to look at my performance of my 35,000 euro brokerage account from the past week. As you guys can see, I ended this week with a profit of 62 euros or 0.18%, which in hindsight wasn't actually that bad because you guys can see the week started pretty rough. We had a negative profit, or we lost close to 500 euros starting this week. And after the FOMC meeting, where Jerome Powell just cut the interest rates of 25 points, the whole market turned and we actually gained a little bit of profit. As you guys can see here on Friday, we had a really big boost of 243 euros or 0.7%. So let's take a look of our holdings, which position was responsible for the peak in the last week. So we got our 2x leverage ETF, which started pretty bad into the week and had a negative performance close to 3% till September 17th. And after the Jerome Powell was cutting the interest rates, the whole thing, as I said, turned, and the leverage ETF ended the week with a profit of 1.37%. The next big hit was the Indian ETF, which did pretty well in the last week with 1.4%, which is awesome. And then my biggest stock holding for the last week was obviously Apple, with a big boost in the last day, as you guys can see here in the daily chart, with 3.5% on gains. And as this is one of my largest holdings, as you guys can see here, this is categorized after the money I have into the stock. So Apple is my fourth biggest holding, so obviously it was a pretty big boost. And yeah, that was my performance over the last week. If you guys want to see more, just check out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and obviously comment down below how your portfolio did perform in the last week so we can talk about it. See you guys soon. Bye bye.